Good morning, grade 5, boys and girls. I hope God, inshallah, will save you and protect you and your families. Last week, we started talking about lesson 5, what is climate? After you watch the video I sent for you on Al-Manassa about the difference between weather and climate, I want to remind you with this. Do you see this? We googled a chart like this one, which is a forecast about the weather in Amman for 1 week. Now, this is the forecast of the weather in Amman this week. You see that we have changing weather from day to day. Monday, it is partly cloudy with it is sunny also. Tuesday, it's rainy. Look at the temperature. The highest temperature on Monday 19 and on Tuesday 17. During the same day also, we discussed this before. The highest temperature during Monday, it was 19 and it drops to 10 early morning and at night. So you notice that the weather changes daily and also within the same day. When you watch the video, they told you that the weather can change within a few minutes or hours, and the climate takes very long time to change. Actually, I printed for you a table about some differences between weather and climate. Here we have the conditions of the atmosphere over a short period of time. This is the weather. It studies conditions of atmosphere over a long period of time. Climate, it studies weather conditions of a place over a long period of time, at least 30 years, but weather over a short period of time. The weather includes exact temperature, exact amount of precipitation, wind speed and wind direction, and the humidity also. But climate, it studies average temperature. When we say the word average, we mean the temperature in a place over a long period of time. For example, deserts, for a long period of time, they are hot. Average precipitation, for example, the amount of precipitation over a long period of time in deserts, it is less than 15 ml, usually. Change of temperature over years. In weather, they study the change from day to day and within the day. Climate, they study the change over years. Example of weather, the weather may be cloudy today, rainy, sunny, or stormy. Example of climate, deserts have hot and dry climate, polar climate, temperate climate, and we will talk about these during this lesson. Here also we have the weather. It is measured over short term, day-to-day change reported as forecast. The climate measured over a long period of time, state of the atmosphere over 30 years or more, reported as an average. Okay, here we finished to unlock the first question of this lesson about the difference between weather and climate, and I need you to open the book, page 231, and highlight with me average weather. Highlight with me the meaning of climate. Climate describes the weather conditions over a long time, at least 30 years. It includes average amount of precipitation, average temperature. We discussed this. I need you only to highlight this. This is the most important thing of this page. Now, go to page 232. We will not answer number 1. We will focus on the most important questions of the lesson. Now, I need you to open page 232. For sure, we will unlock the big question now. I will know that different